Hello, guys. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. Guys, in this particular session, we are going to talk around time management for RBI Grade B examination 2025, right? So, अभी चल रहा है आपका May, and we can plan things according to previous year notification that was in July month. So assume कि सेम डेट के अराउंड आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता है फॉर द RBI Grade B examination 2025. So like now we have three categories. One is आपका those who are preparing for from last 6 months. Okay, why I have mentioned 6 months? Because see, like to complete the fundamental, and if you are studying for like for 8 to 10 hours on regular basis, so this much of time is required to complete your foundation things and all. Okay, that's why 6 months. Okay. The another one is आपका those who just started for preparing for RBI Grade B examination, and the third category is आपका working professionals. ठीक है, those who are working with some banks or some other institutions and how they can manage things, and what should be the allocation of timing for phase 1 as well as phase 2. So we will start with our very first category, that is your basically those who are preparing from last 6 months, 8 months, or else those who are preparing for some other examination. Now they are entering in the league of RBI Grade B examination, right? So in this particular case, what will be my suggestion? So I'll recommend if you talk about the phase 1 and phase 2 things, okay. So as of now, till the notification, you can allot 50% timing to phase 1 and phase 2. Okay. Let's say if you're studying 4 hour in a day, 8 hours in a day, okay. So 4 hour to phase 1 and 4 hour to phase 2. Okay. And once notification like जैसे आपका notification release करते हैं, then you can shift your focus to, or you can increase your timing for phase 1 practice things and all. Okay. So the first category is basically these are mostly aspirants, those who are preparing from last 6 months, 1 years and all, okay? And they are very good with the fundamentals things and all. Okay? So now even in practice also, what I can recommend, just do follow this particular things, okay? And रेगुलर बेसिस पे आपका प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, गो फॉर द मॉक टेस्ट एंड बैलेंस योर स्टडीज बिटवीन फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. ठीक है, फेज 2 के अंदर नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग डिस्क्रिप्टिव एंड ऑल. ठीक है, so like at least once in a week you can have a timing, fixed timing within that particular time duration which is aligned with the exam format. तो इस तरीके से आप अपना रेगुलर डिस्क्रिप्टिव की प्रैक्टिस भी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. ठीक है, विद डिस्क्रिप्टिव यू कैन रिवाइज योर फंडामेंटल्स एंड योर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो, राइट? So this is the one. Once notification will come, obviously we are going to increase the timing for phase 1 in that particular duration. Second category आपका those who just started, ठीक है, confused where to start, how to start, when to start. ठीक है, so my first suggestion to all these particular candidate is like they can have a target कि अभी like what I'll personally recommend in this particular case, at least downside 70% time you guys should give to your phase 1 examination. phase 1 में आपका करंट अफेयर्स वाला एरिया है, ठीक है, यू हैव टू कवर अप करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम द जनवरी 2025 itself. ठीक है, so your maximum time should be allotted to phase 1. Like as we have experienced in last 2024 examination, they have given around 43-44 days for phase 2. तो ये थोड़ा सा आपका प्रायोरिटी होगा. What you can do in phase 2, you can start building your concept toward ESI and finance things. ठीक है, तो इन दो सब्जेक्ट को आप पहले लेके चलिए. Why these two subject? Because they are current affair driven. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो फेज 1 में आप करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ रहे होंगे तो उनको समझने में भी आपको हेल्प करेंगे. वंस यू डन विद द ESI थिंग्स, बिकॉज इसका करिकुलम थोड़ा छोटा है, देन यू कैन ऐड मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से भी आप इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द आपका सेकंड एरिया. बट योर मैक्सिमम टाइम देखो, जब फेज 1 क्लियर होगा तभी हम फेज 1 में जाएंगे. एज सिंपल इज दैट. ठीक है, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सम अदर एग्जामिनेशन लाइक आपका जैसे IBPS या बैंकिंग एंड अदर्स, so they'll start coming the notification, releasing notification, so you'll be become eligible for those particular one also, right? So this is the thing. And working professional, again, this is very challenging for working professional team. So now we have two type of working professional. One, those who are working with the banks or other system team, or those who recently joined the banks or about to join banks and all team. So they are very good in phase 1. ठीक है, तो वो आपका phase 1 उनका काफी अच्छा strong होता है. ठीक है, and they face challenges in phase 2. So what I'll recommend to those who have good experiences with QRE thing, ठीक है, quant reasoning and English, ठीक है. So if you are good in QRE, ठीक है, so let's say good means if you are your score is if your percentile is 90% plus in any mock test like SBI PO or RBI grade V phase 1 mock and all, ठीक है, in quant reasoning and English section. So if your percentile is up on an average 90% and above that, so you are good, like you are like at a good position. So now what I'll recommend, then you guys should focus on the phase 2 things आपका. Again same strategy के साथ first like start preparing for finance and ESI, then come once you done with the ESI just shift to the management things, ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से आपका ये लेके चल सकते हैं. But those there are some other working professional also, those who are maybe not that good in QRE things and all, then I'll recommend you कि let's say you just reverse the game, जो आपके फ्रेशर वाले स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वैसे, ठीक है, फेज 1 के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करें, ठीक है, देन लाइक 70-30 रेशियो यू कैन यूज फॉर द फेज 1 थिंग्स, फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 थिंग्स आपका, ठीक है. तो दिस इज समथिंग व्हाट आई बेसिकली ड्रॉ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस दोज हु क्लियर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन. तो उनके साथ जो कन्वर्सेशन होते हैं या जो डिफरेंट टाइप के कैंडिडेट्स आपका जो ज्वाइन करते हैं, सो दे हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेसेस एंड ऑल, ठीक है. So this is also going to help you out, and if you are facing some challenges or some doubts, so you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'll be coming with some sort of videos, or I'll be definitely addressing your queries in the comment section also. And like this is very like very high time for preparation. So just focus on your first like fundamentals one, foundation one done, then आपका practice. Once your notification release, आपका फिर और सारा जो practice area है उसको increase करें, ठीक है. So in between, let's say you have done with your foundation things and all, now work on weak areas, ठीक है, with the mock test analysis or any other sources, ठीक है. You can find out your weak areas, उनको fix करें जितना जल्दी हो सके, ठीक है. So once they release the notification, then you have to practice a lot. तो बढ़िया से एकदम आपका स्टडी करते रहिए, चीज़ों को पढ़ते रहिए. एंड इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम आवर साइड, please do mention into the comment section. All the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.